October is Disability Employment Awareness Month across Canada and in Alberta. DEEM celebrates, educates, and raises awareness to promote employment inclusion within the job market for people with disabilities. According to Stats Canada in 2022, the unemployment rate for those aged 16 to 64 with disabilities was almost 35%.
Maybe we can't get from point A to point B the same way that you would like us to. But having those conversations as to how we could do that might just look a little bit different.
I have the opportunity this afternoon to share my story from a really young boy to sort of what I went through with my disability.
Accessibility benefits everyone.